How to download and install Zangi app on your laptop or PC. I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zangi on your computer. First off, it cannot be downloaded directly, so we need an emulator like BlueStacks. So go to their website, download BlueStacks. It should be showing up here. So once the download is done, go on and install. Now this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so let's be patient. Now once BlueStacks is installed, open it of course, but you cannot just search for Zynga directly. You must go to Home, System Apps, and then Play Store. Just like anything else, you will be asked to link your Gmail first. And once you are in Play Store, you can start searching for Zangi, and from here, you can download it on your PC.